This cat was seriously training his hunting skills, silent, focused, and locked on a flock of birds. But then, trouble arrived. A playful little puppy showed up, completely obsessed with his tail, barking and bouncing all around. And the target? Gone in seconds. He tried to stay focused, gave it another shot, but the puppy kept messing things up. In the end, the cat walked away with the most annoyed face ever, like he was saying, "That's it. I'm out of here."